In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect Microsoft Outlook. We're going to add a password to your Outlook data file so that anyone trying to open your Outlook data on this computer will need your approval first. This is a great way to keep emails, contacts, and calendar items private if you share your device or step away from your desk. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook on your PC. In the top left corner, click File to open the Backstage view. From there, choose Account Settings, and then click Account Settings again in the drop-down that appears. This opens the window where Outlook stores details about your accounts and files. Next, switch to the Data Files tab. Here you'll see a list of Outlook data files currently connected to your profile. The one you're looking for is the .pst file, which typically holds your mail, calendar, and contacts when you're using a POP account or a local archive. It's often marked as the default file. Just a quick note for clarity, this password protects the local data file itself. It doesn't change your email account password or affect web access to your mailbox. Click the Outlook data file.pst you want to protect to highlight it, then choose the Settings button. In the Outlook data file settings dialog that opens, click Change Password. If you have never set a password for this file before, leave the old password field blank. Then enter your new password and type it again in the Verify field to confirm it. Aim for something strong and memorable. Use a mix of characters and avoid anything easy to guess. Store it somewhere secure so you don't lose access. Click OK to apply the password, and then close out of the open dialogues. When you see any option that offers to save or remember the password, don't select it. Skipping that option ensures Outlook will ask for the password whenever the data file is opened, which is what provides the protection. Now close Outlook completely so the change takes effect, and reopen it. When Outlook starts, it will prompt you for the password you just set. Enter it carefully. If the password is incorrect, Outlook will block access to that data file, which is exactly how it protects your information. That's all you need to do to password protect your Outlook data file. Keep your password safe, don't save it to the list, and you'll have an extra layer of privacy every time Outlook opens. Thanks for watching.